1, operating while intoxicated causing death. Count 2, operating while intoxicated causing serious injury. And count 4, reckless driving causing death. In exchange for the no contest plea, Your Honor, count 3, reckless driving causing serious impairment of your body function will be dismissed at the time of sentencing. It's my understanding a Cobb's evaluation had taken place prior to today, and the court had evaluated the matter at 86 months.
Mr. Slepp.
That is my understanding, Your Honor. It was a Cobb's to agreement of 86 months. He would be pleading no contest to counts 1, 2, and 3. Counts 4 would be dismissed.
Okay, and the basis for the no contest plea is potential civil liability?
Yes, Your Honor, and also intoxication, lack of memory.
All right. Let's swear the defendant in, please. And he's pleading no contest to counts 1, 2, and 3. Is that correct?
That's correct.
No, Your Honor. 1, 2, and 4.
Okay. 1, 2, and 4. All right. Swear the defendant in, please. And you are Nicholas George?
Correct.
Mr. Slepp is your lawyer?
Correct.
Have you had a chance to discuss this matter with Mr. Slepp?
Yes.
Did you hear and understand the plea agreement placed on the record?
Yes.
Is it your intention to accept the plea agreement?
Yes.
And are you presently on probation or parole?
No.
You've had a chance to read and sign an advice of rights form?
Yes, sir.
You understood the rights in that form?
Yep.
Mr. Slepp, did your client appear to understand his rights?
He did, Your Honor, and I did explain to them his rights fully.
You understand if I accept your plea, you'll be waiving and giving up each of those rights?
Yes, sir.
Other than what's been said today, has anyone promised you anything to get you to plea?
No.
Has anyone threatened you?
No.
Are you pleading of your own free choice?
I have been threatened before, but yeah.
Well, let's hear about it.
Shortly after the accident, I had death threats made by the
Okay.
victim.
Here's my question.
That's
Other than
not-
what's been said today, has anyone promised anything to get you to plead?
No.
Has anyone threatened you to get you to plead?
No.
That's what my question was. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. And are you pleading of your own free choice?
Yes.
The information indicates on May 12, 2019 in St. Charles Township, Saginaw County, Michigan, committed offense in count 1 of operating while intoxicated causing death, which is a 15-year felony up to a $2,500 to $10,000 fine. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Count 2 charges you with driving while intoxicated causing serious injury, which is a 5-year felony with a $1,000 to $5,000 fine. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Count 4 charges you with reckless driving causing death, which is a 15-year felony up to a $2,500 fine up to a $10,000 fine. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Keeping those things in mind, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Were you in St. Charles Township, Saginaw County, Michigan on May 12, 2019?
Yes, Your Honor.
Records reflect I've had a chance to review a Saginaw County Sheriff's Office incident report dated May 12, 2019. After reviewing the report, I do find a sufficient factual basis to accept the no contest plea. Further find this incident did in fact occur in St. Charles Township, Saginaw County, Michigan. Also, Mr. George, were you present during the preliminary examination held in front of Judge David Hoffman on November 1st, 2019?
Yes, Your Honor.
And at that time, did you hear the testimony presented during that hearing?
Yes.
All right, any other questions by either counsel?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
Believe I comply with the court rules in taking the plea.
People are satisfied, Your Honor.
Satisfied to both, Your Honor.
I will accept your plea, refer this matter to the Department of Corrections for a pre-sentence report. Sentencing will take place at a date to be determined, and anything else for the record by either counsel.
At this time, people would respectfully request the address bond.
All right,
Based on the Cobb's evaluation, Your Honor, people would ask that the bond be remanded.
all right. Any comment, Mr. Slapp?
Yes, Your Honor, we would ask that he is not remanded today. He has appeared to every court hearing in this case. He has never missed a court hearing at all. He has complied with all terms of his bond conditions. And he has been out for quite some time. He is not a flight risk. He is not a danger to himself or others. And he does have things that He understands there's going to be a prison term here, Judge, and when that sentencing is determined, he'd like to have a little bit of time to put his life together and give his 2-week notice and kind of get everything all set before he goes. So I don't see a reason why he should be remanded at this time. He's been following all the rules. He's not a flight risk, and he's not a danger. Thank you.
I will deny the request to revoke his bond. However, I will direct it to be placed on the electronic monitoring program until such time as sentencing takes place. And we'll figure out how to accomplish that. All right. So, Ms. Brady.
Nothing further, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Slepp, if you and your client want to just have a seat until we verify how we're going to take care of that electronic monitoring, okay?
Absolutely, Your Honor.
All right, we're all set.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.